Rest is what you need.
What's keeping you?
Oh, yes. Why, I forgot all about you.
You forgot?
Well, You see, The truth is, I found a bird today, and...
You found a what?
It's a bird. He was wounded.
That makes no difference. There are no such creatures allowed in my castle. You will get rid of it immediately.
I'll do nothing of the sort.
You won't? Well, of course you!
He needs me. I'm taking care of him. I bathed him, bandaged him, fed him, and...
You were supposed to eat with me.
He's had a serious injury. He needs my attention.
I want that bird out of my castle!
But...
Now! Come back here! Somebody catch that thing!
Yes, of course. Catching, sir. Which
Get
sir?
it!
I'm getting it. No, to your left. No, move away. Over there. Here, let me reach. I can't quite grasp it.